Most of the time, people leave spamming links and bad contents links in the site's comment section. You can avoid access to such spammers. Let's see how to block spammers from accessing or viewing your website content in Cpanel. First, you need to log into your Cpanel account with your Cpanel login information, which will take you to this Cpanel settings page. In the Cpanel settings page, we need to scroll down to Security section and click IP blocker option. In this field, we need to enter the spammer's IP address. This is my IP address that I am adding in the IP blocker page in Cpanel. And done, you can see my IP address is being added and blocked. When I try to visit the designopage.com website that I have added in my Cpanel, this is the result I get in the browser. You don't have permission to access on this server. Access to the website has been denied. I have another website added in the same Cpanel, contentsOn.com. In the browser, when we search for the site, contentsOn.com's access has been denied. My IP address access has been denied. Any website that is added in Cpanel cannot be viewed by the visitors whose IP address has been blocked. To grant access to view the website, all you need is to go back to Cpanel IP blocker page and delete the IP address added in it. And you can see now, when we search for the sites in the browser from my IP address, both the sites will be visible. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when I add new content.